Hi, I'm Dr. Sulata Shenoy, Director, Turning Point, Center for Psychological Assessments, Therapies and Counseling, Jayanagar, Bengaluru. We see a lot of anxiety in young adults and even in teenagers. And how do we recognize these symptoms is first through the body. You will find that many who are prone to anxiety are always short of breath, okay, or they may be having some kind of difficulty in breathing, and the way they move themselves also makes them susceptible to having irregular heartbeats. So it's like a chicken and egg question whether the palpitations have caused anxiety or anxiety is causing the palpitations. So a lot of us go through the day without even recognizing or feeling our heartbeats. However, whenever you are stressed or anxious, I am sure you would have noticed the way your heart pumps in your body, okay, the dryness of the mouth, and you are so acutely aware of the irregular pattern of your heartbeat that you may even wonder whether others can hear it too. Okay, this is called as arrhythmia or palpitations, as most of us know it, and can occur at some points of time, which is normal and natural. However, if it occurs frequently, it is certainly a cause of worry, and one should get the right medical opinion to find out about your irregular heartbeat. If it is a medical condition, you should certainly get it fixed through the doctor, otherwise it could lead to lifelong morbidity and even fatality. So just be careful about these symptoms. However, a lot of us are given a clean chit by the doctor who says that there is nothing wrong with your heart is working perfectly fine. I am not really sure why you are getting these irregular heartbeats. So that would be a clue for us to look at what is happening within, what's happening within our bodies, within our minds, within our thoughts and within our feelings. That will certainly give you a clue as to why your heart is behaving in this erratic or irregular way. Your heart responds to electrical, chemical and metabolic conditions within your body, and these can be governed by several factors such as adrenaline. Okay, one of the things that would make the heart pump more blood or be more irregular or erratic is the level of adrenaline in your body. You feel that sudden rush when you are in a state of adventure, and your heart pumps blood to help you to gear up to the physical challenge. However, most of us are not so challenged in the physical sense. It is more of the mental stress that we go through, and that also pumps in a lot of adrenaline, and because of the fear and the anxiety, leading to the heart to mistakenly assume that your body needs to fight something or face a challenge, and hence you would need more blood supply to be sent to all parts of your body. This would lead to irregular heartbeats, which you would experience as palpitations. The next reason why you could have irregular heartbeat is because of hyperventilation. What is hyperventilation? When we tend to take short or deep breaths and supply more oxygen to the brain. So what happens as a result? The heart tends to pump more blood to keep up with the levels of oxygen that is supplied to your brain. Remember the time when you were anxious or nervous, you would be, if you really observe your breathing, you will find that your breathing pattern is irregular, sharp and almost in gasps. So this happens because your brain needs the oxygen, and you tend to supply this through heavy or mouth breathing or through abnormally extended kind of breathing. So, this would also result in irregular heartbeats. So, now what would be the solution? It is very simple. If it is medical, get it checked. If it is a non-medical, then you can be assured that it is related to your level of anxiety or tension or fear, and there is only one thing you need to do is to de-stress yourself. Okay, look out for the signs and symptoms of anxiety. Try to de-escalate tensions wherever possible. Cope with all the stresses that you are currently going through. Remain calm and most of all, remain relaxed. This will certainly bring down your heart rate to the desired regular pattern that should be the aim.